Now that you're familiar with what the chart of accounts is and why it's so important, let's move on to the practical part, adding new accounts. QuickBooks Online makes it simple, but there are a few details you need to keep in mind to ensure your accounts are set up correctly. Each account will need 3 key pieces of information: the account name, the account type, and the detail type. Additionally, you can add optional details such as an opening balance and a brief description for clarity. Let's take this step by step. To start, we need to open the Chart of Accounts window. Look at the left navigation bar and click on Transactions. From the submenu, select Chart of Accounts. This will bring you to the list of all accounts that exist in your QuickBooks Online company file. If this is your first time accessing it, QuickBooks might show a welcome message. Simply click See Your Chart of Accounts to proceed. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts section, you'll notice a list of accounts already provided by QuickBooks Online. Don't worry about these defaults for now. We'll focus on creating and managing the ones that are relevant to our business. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a New button. This is what we'll use to create new accounts. Let's begin by adding our first account, Cash in Bank. Click the New button and the new account form will appear. The first field you need to fill in is the account name. Type Cash in Bank in all capital letters. Using capital letters will make it easier to differentiate the accounts you create from the default accounts already provided by QuickBooks. Next, move to the Account Type field. Click the drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of account types such as accounts receivable, current assets, cash and cash equivalents, and so on. For this account, select Cash and Cash Equivalents, because it represents cash we hold in a bank account. Once you've selected the account type, the Detail Type drop-down becomes active. Click on it, and you'll see a list of detail types specific to this account category. Since this is a bank account, select Bank as the detail type. The next field you'll see is the opening balance. If you're setting up this account with an initial balance, enter the amount here. For example, if the bank account currently has $5,000, type $5,000. If you're not sure about the starting balance, you can leave this field blank for now and update it later. There's also a description field where you can add additional details like Main Company Checking Account. This step is optional but helpful for keeping things organized. Once you've entered all the details, account name, account type, detail type, and optionally an opening balance or description, click the Save button in the bottom right corner. If you're planning to create multiple accounts, you can click the drop-down arrow next to Save and select Save and New to continue adding accounts without closing the form. This is how you may create new chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. See you in the next video.